It affects the way we live. Jesus Christ said in Luke 22:10, when you see the man, now let's take a look at what he said so that we get an idea. When you see the man carrying, that's the man carrying the pitcher of water. Okay, now that's Aquarius. Don't think Jesus didn't know what he's talking about. He sure did. He's talking about this age right now. So that's now, okay? When you see the man carrying the pitcher of water, this is Luke 22:10. He says, enter into the house, and the house is you. Enter into yourself. Go to the upper room, and the upper room is your higher consciousness. And he said, there you will be fed by him. That's where you'll have the that's where you'll have the Passover, in the upper room. And so now we understand, as we realize the movement of these tremendous universal things that God has created, that Jesus was talking about the man with the pitcher of water, which is the Christ, pouring out. Don't you remember it says, what's it say in the Bible? I will pour out my spirit upon you. What I'm trying to get through to you is that God has created in the universe a blueprint of life, a blueprint of the movement of the universe, a blueprint of what life is all about and how to overcome that which is the evil and that which is oppressive and rise up to that which is heavenly. What's going to happen is that, according to the Institute in France, in the year 2010, this Aquarian age is going to peak, the year 2010. And basically what the age of Aquarius is the constellation of the planet Uranus. All right, U-R-A-N-U-S. That is called the Son of Heaven or the God of Heaven. Now just think, the Christ is supposed to return, split the eastern sky, and cast down Satan into prison. Isn't it interesting that Uranus gave birth to Saturn, and Saturn overthrew Uranus, and then was cast out of heaven by the son of Uranus? Do you understand what I'm saying? This is the mythology of the constellations, the stars in the sky. Uranus had a relationship with Gaia, G-A-E-A, which is Mother Earth. So Uranus had an intercoursal relationship and had sons and daughters with Mother Earth. This is mythology of the planets. He gave birth to Saturn. Saturn overthrew Uranus, and I'll tell you more about that. And then Saturn was driven out of heaven and cast down by the sons of Uranus, or the sons of God. Now, understand what we're talking about here. The age of Aquarius peaking at 2010, 19 years from now, would be the Son of Heaven, or the God of Heaven, Uranus, which is moving in its patterns right now as we're talking, moving into the eastern sky, overwhelming that which is the negative influences of Saturn and setting people free.